Hello everyone, my name is Akhilesh. Today we are going to see two methods for coloring of WBS in Excel from the Primavera. So we will select my all activities, Control A, Control C, and I will paste in new Excel sheet. Now I am going to add one more column and I will name it WBS, and now I will use a formula equal to two open brackets, find open bracket, trim, then I will select for column B2, close, comma, B2, close, minus 1, 2 times bracket close divided by 2. So here you will get a WBS level. So I will fill it down for my whole activity. Now I will select Control A. Now I will do a condition formatting for my WBS color coding. So I will go to condition format, new rule. I will go down to use a formula to determine which cell to format. Now I will use equal to and dollar $A1 is equal to 0, comma, dollar C1 is equal to blank bracket close. I will select the color. So this is my color. Now it will color my first WBS level where the WBS level value is 0. Again I will go to condition format, manage rules, and I will add new rule. Before that I will copy the formula. Copy. Okay. Now I will use a new rule. Go to the last one, use the formula to determine which cell to format. Use. Then for 0, I will replace by 1, and formatting I will change the color. So my second level, if you see, it is in green color. So I will select green. Apply. Now for third one, new rules. Last, select formula. For equal to 0, I will use 2. Format cell yellow color. Okay. And I will use new rule. Formula. Here 3, format to blue color, apply, new rule is equal to 4, format cell red color. Okay, again new rule. Now you can see my on the WBS level my same color coding as my Primavera from the primary design and geotechnical, yellow and blue. So if you see from my Primavera, it will reflect primary design yellow and blue. Same if you go to design, I have a general and red color, and in red we have a cyan color also. So we can general geotechnical survey, in detailed design we have a cyan color. So we have copied the same layout of Primavera to Excel. You can modify up to a 20 level based on the color coding provided in the Primavera. Second method is again Control A, copy, have WBS coding here. We'll go to this and Control V. So it is my WBS coding for same. Now here what you have to do, okay, you go to condition format, manage, you can see the formula for that particular condition formatting you can use for all WBS level. And again I have created one more format of classic WBS layout. If you go to Primavera and change to classic WBS layout, open classic WBS layout, open. Now you can see the color of this WBS is on the lighter side. I will again Control A, Control C, paste in my WBS coding of this particular Excel, and you can see it is showing the same WBS coding or color coding for that. So I have created 20 levels of WBS in Primavera. So I will copy and the same color code will be reflected in your Excel. Copy, go to Excel and paste. So you can see a same WBS level coding will be reflected for to the Primavera layout. If I show you, your color coding will a same like that. Starting from your blue one, blue, green, yellow, blue, red, cyan, then all color will be follow according to that. If you want the Excel of the WBS color coding, you can comment your email ID. So I will share the respective sheet to your email ID whenever I get the time. Thank you.